We find many such cities in history that were once above ground, but today they are submerged under the ocean. In the seas of Greece, an entire 5,000-year-old city is submerged, which is called Pavlopetri. With the passage of time, our Earth's geography is changing. Due to global warming, ocean water levels are rising, and there is no doubt that in the coming years, many small and large cities of the world will be completely underwater. As a result of this global warming, which cities in India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh will sink, by how much, and when, all of this you are going to learn today. Once again, welcome viewers. Somewhere or another, we have all heard the name of global warming. The average temperature of our planet is increasing day by day, because of which glaciers are melting rapidly. From the year 1880 to today, in 2022, the Earth's average temperature has increased by 1.4 degrees Celsius. And if we look at just the last 20 years, every year is hotter than the previous one, which means the rate of global warming is increasing rapidly. According to NASA, there's a 95% chance that this global warming is happening due to human activity, which also includes mass-level deforestation and the use of fossil fuels. Due to the burning of fossil fuels, various gases gather in the atmosphere and create a greenhouse effect. Now, as a result of this, ice glaciers present all over the world are slowly melting and raising the ocean level. Even before the use of fossil fuels, from the year 1800 to 1900, the ocean level centimeters, which means approximately 2.5 inches. But ever since humans got their hands on fossil fuels, a significant increase in the ocean level has been observed. From the year 1900 to 2000, an increase of 19 centimeters in ocean levels was observed, which is about 3 times more compared to the previous 100 years. Even worse news than this is that if we look at just these 22 years from the year 2000 to today, in 2022, the ocean level is rising at double the speed compared to the last 100 years. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration says that if global warming continues at this speed and glaciers keep melting, then by the year 2100, the level of our oceans will rise by up to 2.5 meters, and this is truly a very alarming situation. That means by the year 2100, those coastal cities that are right next to the sea and whose elevation is also only 2.5 meters or even less, more than half of them will be underwater. Just like Thailand's capital, Bangkok, its average elevation is only 1.5 meters above the Gulf of Thailand. Therefore, in the year 2100, Bangkok will look something like this. In Bangladesh's capital, Dhaka, a significant population along the banks of the Buriganga River will be underwater. If we talk about Azerbaijan, most of Baku's coastal area will have fallen victim to the water. Many projects built on the outskirts of Singapore will sink, including the Singapore port. Apart from this, including Amsterdam and Rotterdam, more than half of the country of the Netherlands will be under waist-deep water, and there will be no trace left of all the islands and resorts in the Maldives. That means by the year 2100, people will have to shift somewhere else. Now, we have only talked about the situation when, after 80 years, the level of the oceans rises by 2.5 meters. But the worst-case scenario is, what will happen if all the glaciers in the world melt? According to an estimate, if the melting rate continues at this speed, then after 5,000 years, the entirety of Greenland, the Arctic region, Iceland, and all glaciers will melt, and because of them, our ocean level will rise by up to 70 meters. But it is not necessary that this stage will come only after 5,000 years. With the speed at which humans are abusing natural resources day by day and ruining the climate, it seems that this stage will arrive in just 2,000 years. So in this situation, how will our Earth look? And most importantly, which cities in our subcontinent, India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh, will become stories of underwater cities? First of all, let us start with the Bay of Bengal. You might be shocked to see that almost the whole of Bangladesh will be engulfed by the Bay of Bengal, and if we talk about its capital, Dhaka, if we talk about it, it will have sunk under 30 meters or 100 feet of deep water. Along with this, the Bay of Bengal will also take control of many parts of India. As you can see, this entire region, from Kolkata to Malda and Patna, including Muzaffarnagar, will be under the sea. The coast of the Bay of Bengal that borders Bangladesh and India today will be called the coast of Nepal and Bhutan after rising by 70 meters. Similarly, where the East Indian coast is right now, will shift 50 kilometers inland, because of which heavily populated cities here will be severely affected. If we talk about Chennai alone, it will be under 200 feet of water. The LIC building in Chennai, constructed in 1959, which was once India's tallest building, will be completely underwater. Passing through Chennai, the water level will reach the border of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. If we take a look at India's western coast, after rising by 70 meters, all the beach resorts of North and South Goa will be destroyed. Neither Mumbai will survive, nor Navi Mumbai, because this entire area, all the way to the border of Gujarat, will have fallen victim to 54 meters or 177 feet of deep water. That means if Mumbai's Lodha Trump Tower survives until then, the Indian Ocean will rule up to its 15th floor. Moving forward, if we talk about Gujarat, you will certainly be surprised to know that Gujarat will have become an island. As you can also see, after rising by 70 meters, the water of the Arabian Sea has separated Gujarat from India. And if the human race survives until then, Ahmedabad will perhaps be converted into some beach resort, because the border of the Arabian Sea will advance and touch Ahmedabad. Now let's come to Pakistan. Surprisingly, Pakistan's entire Sindh province will have been engulfed by the Arabian Sea. From Karachi to Hyderabad, Nawab Shah, and Sukkur, all the way to Jacobabad, all major cities coming within 400 kilometers will take the shape of unknown cities under several hundred feet of water. Karachi, the seventh largest city in the world by population, will be 190 feet at the bottom of the Arabian Sea. The well-known buildings and skyscrapers present here today will perhaps be shown in the underwater discoveries of that time. Apart from this, what is known today as the world's deepest seaport, Gwadar, located on Pakistan's southern coast, will then truly fall victim to the deep ocean and will not remain more than just a small island. Hopefully, you all will like and share this video from ZEM TV as well. Thank you very much for your loving comments. See you in the next one.